Hey, Golden Tar. Hey, yeah, train driver say, okay. Oh, yeah, Golden Tar. Train driver say if you put your tongue on a train track, he gonna cut it off. Ain't no doubt about that. The man with the Golden Tar. Don't mess with train driver. Bye. Hey, train driver, Oscar calling you, but I can barely hear him. Train driver, Oscar calling you. Hey, T-Man, you lonely up there? Hey, T-Man, you up there lonely on this duck line in? This a damn Magnolia thing down there. Hey, T-Bird, stop being lonely up there. Wait, hold up now. Hold up. 96 from where? You said you running? Wait a minute, hold on. Where 96 coming from? You said 96 out here, you got to go. 96 out here, you got to, I ain't never seen your black ass run from nobody, train driver, bye-bye. I ain't trying to keep on the road and check. You running. Click. You running. Until the 5 minutes and shut the hell up. You running. You ain't running from, you running to the damn fight. You will fight all damn night. I know you, train driver, boy. Somebody chewed the hell out you. I couldn't understand neither one of y'all. Somebody keyed up for a socket, and boy, I don't know who won now. I don't know if it was a middleman or train driver. I mean, a robot. Man, somebody choked the living hell at you. It got rough. Switchblade, black out.
Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, 445, North Mississippi, waving.
That can't be 96 making the road, man. That 96 making the road. You on top now. Where you am, 96? Where you come from? Hey, come on here. Hey, come on here. Switchblade, brother.
Well, doggone, that's rough out there. It's rough out there tonight. 445 up there in North Mississippi, waving at that Switchblade, Wolf Lake, and we got back.
Hello, radio man. Buffalo Soldier, Sheriff in Mississippi. I wait to move out the west.
Good evening there, Buffalo Soldier, 445, waving.
445. Yeah, have a blessed night. 96, you was on top that time. Come on. Switchblade, what you in now? Hey, Switchblade, can't dig it now. Switchblade, help me getting up. You like that. You said you keep on here one more time. You like that. You making it rough. 96, my man. I just Switchblade 10, 96.
Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, 445, Mississippi. Up there around North Mississippi, 445, waving Switchblade.
Take it in. He back on top. You make it rough. You ain't like your much cutting there. Take care, 96. Switchblade. Click. Switchblade, 10, 96. Number 12, say go to bed. Have my head in the yard. God damn. You might have to pump up. He's shooting 145. You might have to pump up. You might have to. He's fucking a living hell at you, train driver. You on top, though.
No copy on that Switchblade, Wolf Lake, 445, Mississippi. We back quiet. We 10-6.
Pull that boy. Hey, Papa, what are you waiting on? How you trying to do that? That's 445. 445, Peacemaker down south.
Yes, sir, Peacemaker, you're sounding good down south. Hey, Peacemaker, you're sounding good up around North Mississippi. 445 said that. Dizzle?
Hey, 445, you got a hammer down in Mississippi. Hey, 445.
Alright, Peacemaker, well, you're sounding good up there. Up in there with old Switchblade. Hey, Peacemaker, 445 on this Ghost Rider, North Mississippi, go down.
Boy, you got that Ghost Rider working too, man. Hey, 445, you got that cat named Ghost Rider rolling up there in North Mississippi. Sounding real good, my brother. Mr. 445, North Mississippi, Peacemaker, way down south where I'm next. Bye.
Alright, Peacemaker, I got a video game rolling on you, man. That's what I'll do on this end. I put it up there on JD's Watergate page, up on Facebook. I don't know if you own that, but it'll be up there tomorrow. Hey, Peacemaker, 445, gonna see what you doing down there, Temple.
Get right, 445. I'm gonna ease it up where you can hear me a little bit. I'm trying to find out where you're coming from. 445, North Mississippi. Where you transmit from? Peacemaker coming out of Nixon 410. Take it.
Alright, Peacemaker, we're up there by the crossroads, man. You know where Robert Johnson sold his soul to the devil. The crossroads, Mississippi. Hey, Peacemaker, right there.
Get right, 445. You want to get me? You sounded real good coming out that teacher. Tell me what you're looking at. 445, Peacemaker, the man with the biggest, lowest antenna down south, said 555.
Alright, Peacemaker. Hey, love, peace, and happiness. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, Hammer here, 20-something dB behind. Hammer here, you know, you know, Grandma Mom said hard head make a stop. Hey, train driver, you know, Grandma Mom said hard head make a stop. Take care of train driver. He said it ain't so hard, bye-bye.